Hello everyone, good evening, welcome back to the channel. So let us see what all we saw for the whole week. Okay, so from 10th to the 14th of October, the chart is in front of us. In front of us, we have the first of all, let us start with the NAS 100. All right, very good rejection from the levels that were discussed. The swing level of 11483. All right. So from there only we got a sharp rejection from where the market started to fall. We got good targets here. See, this is the level. I said this will act as a zone. The level of 11496 and 11483. From where the market took a rejection, started to fall, gave us all the targets. First target was booked on this support level 11269, and then we waited for this breakdown. Again a sharp fall again till the support level 11168 and trade to this swing level, then a consolidation, and this was the zone where I said it can consolidate. It did some consolidation. Again, it tried to retest the level of 11086 and got a rejection from there. And this is a historical trend line which I was saying will act as a support. It break down, it gave a breakdown from here, and it got a very sharp fall like a nosedive, and then it recovered as the market dissolved the absorbed news of the rate hikes. All right, and we got a good pullback. It was a good swing around more than 7%, more than 9% of swing in one day in one working session. And again here it's a triple top formation and it's a fall. And I think on Monday this last swing will also be broken and we can test the low of this swing, which is around I suppose 10,085. I suppose, yeah, 10,088 is the low of the zone which can be tested in the coming sessions. All right, the market can take a pullback because it in some minor time frame it has taken some oversold. It is all right, so you can take a pullback in small time frames. So we'll see that. We'll just go with the blend of the news with the technicals. Okay, so let us move further. We'll see the US 30. All right, so in the US 30 also, see, okay, see, this acted as a zone. We got a rejection from here and sharp target 1, target 2, then followed by consolidation for 3 sessions, more than 3 sessions. Then this acted as a zone here and we got a good rejection. We got an entry, sharp fall similar as the NAS 100, and again a pullback, which again retested this historical white trend line. Alright, again this is a triple top. Let us see if this zone is this place is broken. If the last swing is broken, then it will come to once again first target will be here, the last swing here, and this the lower move swing here. Okay, so for now in the Dow Jones, also in the US 30, if we talk about, there's a support level 28408 and we have a more lower side than the NAS 100 in the Dow Jones, in the US 30 index. Okay, 28408 will be the first support, and then this white historical trend line will be retested. Okay, let us move to some currency pairs. In the currency pairs, we have Euro USD. Okay, a good consolidation for the whole week. Okay, a good pullback from the support zone. That from here, I had tell in the session also that this is a good pullback point because market can take a bounce from here, and we got good move. All right, and then here it is a, you can say a triple top formation or a double top formation. And if this last swing, this zone is broken, okay, this low is broken, then again it will come to test this level of support, which is the level of 0.96381 in the coming week sessions. All right, moving further, USD Jpy is giving or making a fresh high, so we'll just follow the price action in this one because it is forming a fresh new high every day, every working session. All right, now let us see USD CHF, US dollar and Chilean French. Okay, so USD CHF, if we talk about this one, then a good move in this one. We got many trades here because it was playing very good with the levels and the technical analysis. Okay, so this is the bottom formation, and this is the trend line coming from here. If this level is broken, we'll see a sharp fall, and the support level for us will be the level of 0.98638. All right, but for now there's upside, and I suppose if the price action is followed and this last swing is broken, then at least USD CHF should come to test this level of 1.01055. From there only we'll see if it's a consolidation from a good price action, we can see a upside, or if it is a rejection, then again the levels so discussed will be retested again on the lower side. Okay, Moving further, USD Canadian dollar is consolidating on the lower levels. All right, and we have a support at the level of 61260. All right, so we'll see to it. All right. Further, NZD USD, again the same thing. As so I said that this level is very critical. If it will sustain, then it will give a good move. But here, this was a pattern I was just thinking about, and I just thought let us come retest and for retest this swing. Okay, sort of you can say head and shoulder pattern here, and then it retested, gave a breakdown. I just made an entry, and we got a good target. Was the target was this one, the last swing. All right. If this swing is broken, then again the last swing will be retested in the coming sessions. Okay, then further, USD Canadian dollar, again very good chart. Once again, here's a pattern. Okay, a triangle. What we can say, if we draw we do the charting, if we draw the using the tools, the trend lines, then this is a what we say, the symmetrical triangle gave a good breakout, and first target, second target, third target, 10. All right, and after the level breakdown of 1.3820, it also gave a good shorting opportunity, and the target was this last week. All right, I booked it here. Okay, and again it formed a double bottom sort of pattern, and it again gave a move. All right, now let us see. It is also a somewhat in a smaller time frame. If you see, this is a you can say a triple top. Okay, so if this swing is broken, okay, this level is broken, somewhere around 1.38485490, then it can again come down, and it can again trail and test these levels, and I can see a downside trailing targets to the level of 1.36461. But yes, we'll follow the price action and the market sentiment so further. All right, next one, the New Zealand dollar and Japanese yen. Once again, in this one also for the whole week, this was the pattern. If we draw this trend line, just waited for it to give a breakdown. It has given a breakdown, a bearish flag. Okay, still the short trade is on. All right, the target, first target will be here this way. Okay, and the next target will be this way. Okay, the closing over here. Silver, very good chart, the love of my life, one of my favorite. Following the technical data and the historical data and respecting all the technical levels, it's been given really good trades. I got into trade over here in this one because this was a fake breakout, and this was quite evident. So I just made an entry in this candle when it was reaching the swing level, 18.382, and again I shorted it, and the target was here. Okay, and the target was booked. It was a very nice trade. Okay, for this week we should see some little pullback, but we'll see more of a lower side, which we will be discussing in the analysis video. All right, the analysis videos will be resuming from today. This is gold, again yet another one of my favorites. Okay, so in gold also, see how beautifully it's respecting the technical levels and the historical trend line. Okay, and still it has a low side. If this last thing is broken, then this trend line around the level of 1635 is this target on the lower side for now. All right, now we'll see into the crypto also giving a very good move. See, Bitcoin, this was a short fall. All right, and it gave a good move. Okay, once this retest was done, again more quantity was added by me in the short and futures in the Binance, and it gave a good move. I booked in this pullback candle. All right, and again when it was breaking this swing, then I thought it can be a pullback, because in Nasdaq was also pulling back. I put my first target at this swing. All right, because this was a zone, and I booked him. And once again, after this consolidation, I just noticed that it is a triangle formation. Then again I took a long position, and the target was trailed from this one, 19695 to 19811. All right, so we have to be attentive. Market is giving the opportunities to every trader to get into a trade and make some good bucks and profits, but it is not necessary to take trades on a daily basis. All right, market will give you chance. What you have to do is to find the opportunity. All right, see, this is a zone. All right, so it gave an opportunity to short it from the double top and gave a confirmation, okay, now I'm going to fall. Then a short entry was made, and target was booked at 1301. Okay, Similar pattern in Solana. Okay. Now this was something tricky. Okay, PNB historical trend line getting rejections from here and once forming lower lows and lower highs after this fake out gave a confirmation because this acted as a zone from here till here, and when this swing was broken I made an entry and good target one target two achieved, and once again when this swing was broken in a pullback again the target was this historical trend line which was achieved. So market gives a good trader will take trades on both the sides. It is not always buy. When the market is working, market does not go makes fresh high like a rocket. Okay, if it is going high, it will go like this, up, down, then up. All right. And also when it will fall, it will be taking some hiccups also, because you can say in a layman's language, if we say do not take this in a serious term, but yes, the market has to adjust the RSI or the volume accumulation, and this is a big thing. So market does not fall till when there is no panic situation, because when there is a panic situation the technicals also get filled, but yes the support levels are intact. All right, so this is chart for matic. see see, do you see something, a zone from here, see the whole line gave a shorting opportunity, right? Chart is everything. Chart gives opportunities to each and every trader. What one has to do is to learn the technical analysis and how to find out these levels to be a proper trader. All right. Similarly, in GBP AUD also gave a good opportunity. Okay, a good bounce, a good volume accumulation from the level of 1.73835 gave a good retest after breaking this. Uh, what we say, this zone, it came back again to test, and it took a retest and formed a W pattern sort, and when this thing was broken it gave a confirmation, okay now I'll be going up. It although it tested our patience over here for this long, around half day, but yes the breakout was very good and the target was achieved. Now US oil. See, US oil also like silver, it is one of my favorites, and I love to trade the US oil because it is one of the very good chart formation. And see how the US oil is uh, respecting its technical level. See, a zone formation, working volume accumulation, retest of the swing, breakout, target 1, target 2, target 3 done, double top formation, retest of the swing, okay, gave an entry, with a confirmation that the double top formation is active now. Okay, target 1 done, target 2 done. All right, and then again W pattern formation sort of formation over here, you can see a rounding bottom, and again gave an entry, again target 1 2 3 4 with the trailing done and achieved. Again from here a double top formation over here and giving a rejection, breakdown of the last swing of the M pattern, entering target 1 2 3 4 5 and the radius of the historical trend line, and the closing still around somewhere there. If that is broken, then it has to be a very sharp panic fall. All right, so this is the performance report for this week, sessions from 10 to the 14th of October 2022. I hope you love the video, love the content, and love the things that I bring to you. So just enroll for the courses and like write to me your queries in the comment section. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep trading, keep your profits intact. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.